Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the definite integration. Now, definite integration, when the integral of any function between any two finite limits are calculated and represented in form of difference, is called the definite integration. Now here limit a to b fx dx equal to integration of this is equal to fx limit a to b x is equal to b of b minus fa. Here a is called lower limit of function and b is called upper limit of function. Now evaluate here problem 1 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx. Solution of 1 integration of 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, and this is 0 to pi by 4 minus cos x. Now putting the value of this pi by x is equal to pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 and minus plus cos 0 degree. Now here cos pi by 4 means 45 degree. The value of cos 45 degree, that is equal to sin 45 degree. As you know that sin 0 equal to 0, 30 degree 1 by 2, 45 degree 1 by root 2, and 60 degree root 3 by 2, 90 degree 1. But in cos 0 degree, here this comes 1, and 30 degree root 3 by 2, 45 degree 1 by root 2, and 60 degree 1 by 2, this is equal to 0. So that here cos 45 degree, cos 41 by root 2, here minus 1 by root 2 plus cos 0 degree equal to 1, here this is 1. Now this under root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. Now multiply here root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1 here divided by root 2 and root 2 plus 1. Now a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, this is root 2 ka square, this is 2 minus 1 divided by, this is multiply this 2 plus root 2. So that this is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 2. This is answer of this integration of 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx. Now we take question number second here. This is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 cosec square x dx, minus pi by 4 into pi by 4 cosec square dx. As you know that cosec square x, integration of cosec square x, that is minus cot x. This can be written as minus cot x, and limit will be minus pi by 4 divided by 2 pi by 4. Now putting the value of x here, this is minus cot pi by 4 and minus here minus that is a plus, and that is a minus plus cot minus pi by 4 here. As you know that this is minus cot pi by 4 plus cot minus theta, all sine tan theta, all sine tan cos. Here in this case pi by 4 cos minus theta, it means that the value of here in this quadrant, first, second, third, fourth quadrant, cos and sec only positive and cot is negative, so that this is equal to minus cot pi by 4. As you know that cot pi by 4, as you know that tan 0 degree is 0, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree that is 1, so that cot 45 degree that is 1 minus 1 and minus 1, this is equal to minus 2. This is our answer here. Now question number 3 here, solution of 3. Integration of limit minus 1 to 1 2 के power x dx. As you know that integration of a के power x dx equal to a के power x divided by log a base e. So that in this case 2 के power here 2 a के power x a equal to 2, so that this is equal to a equal to 2 and 2 के power x divided by log a equal to 2 log 2 base e, and here limit minus 1 to 1 here. Now this is a constant terms, so that this will be equal to 1 by log 2 base e, and 2 के power x and 2 के power 1 minus 2 के power minus 1. Here 2 के power 1, this is 1 and this is will be equal to 1 by 2, so that here 1 by log 2 base e, 2 minus 1 by 2, it means that 2 2 are 4, 2 2 are 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 log 2 base e. This is answer of this integration. Now question number 4 here, solution of 4. Limit 0 to 1 x square e के power 2x dx. Now for this we integrate this here. Now integration of x square e के power 2x dx, this is first function and this is the second function. As you know that integration of this first function x square integration of e के power 2x dx minus differentiation of first x square integration of second e के power 2x dx and integration of whole function dx here. In this case, x square e के power 2x integration of this e के power 2x e के power 2x divided by 2 here and minus differentiation of x square nxn minus 1 so that 2x and this will be integration of e के power 2x dx e के power 2x divided by 2 and whole का integration here dx 2 and 2 cancel here. This will be x square e के power 2x by 2 here and minus 2 and 2 cancel. This is first term, this is second term. Now we also apply the integration of first function and second function so that this will be equal to first and second. First function x integration of e के power 2x minus d by dx x integration of e के power 2x dx and integration of whole function here. Now this is equal to x square e के power 2x divided by 2 minus this is x e के power 2x by 2 minus this is a plus, this is integration of this is this in here x square e के power 2x by 2 minus 2 and 2 cancel. This is a first function and second function. First function integration of second and differentiation of first, integration of second, whole का integration. Here x square e के power 2x divided by 2. Here minus x integration of e के power 2x dx here. In this case, e के power 2x dx here, so that integration of e के power 2x dx e के power 2x by 2 and minus this is equal to plus and integration of the differentiation this is 1 and this is e to power 2x divided by 2. Now these terms comes here x square e to power 2x divided by 2 minus x and it is e to power 2x divided by 2 here this is a plus and 1 integration of e to power 2x by 2 dx so that these terms here this is here and now e के power 2x again integration of this e के power 2x by 2 to 2 is 4 here. Now taking the common e के power 2x by 4 e के power 2x by 4 so that is 2x square minus here 2x and this terms comes here 1. Now integration of 0 to 1 x square e के power 2x dx equal to this e के power 2x by 4 in this case 2x square minus 2x plus 1. Now limit is 0 to 1. Putting upper limit 1 and lower limit 0 here. This is 1. X is equal to 1. This is 1 and e के power 2 by 4 and this is 2 1 के power 2 that is 1 here 2 minus 2 x is equal to 1 2 plus 1 minus putting here 0 x is equal to 0 this will be equal to e के power 0, that is equal to e के power 0, that is equal to 1 by 4 here, 1 by 4, and here x is equal to 0, this is 0 and this is 0, this is equal to only 1, 0 minus 0, this is equal to 1 here. Now 2 2s are cancelled, this is simply e के power 2 by 4 minus this is here, this is 1, so that 2 2 cancel 1, e के power 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4 here, this is 1 by 4, so that this will be equal to e के power 2 minus 1 by 4. This is the answer of our this integration. Now we take another example. Now question number 5 here, solution of 5, integration of limit 0 to pi by 3 cos x dx divided by 3 plus 4 sin x, 4 sin x. Putting three plus 4 sin x equal to t, so that differentiate it with respect to x here, this is 0, 4 cos x dx equal to dt. It means that cos x dx equal to dt by 4 here, and limit will be limit x equal to at x equal to 0, x equal to 0, so that t equal to 3 plus 4 sin 0 degree, sin 0 means 0, so that t equal to 3 at x equal to pi by 3, t equal to 3 plus 4 sin pi by 3, pi by 3 means 60 degree, so that this is equal to 3 plus 4 sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, so that this is a 3 plus 2 root 3. Now limit will be 0 to pi by 3 here, t is equal to 3 to 3 plus 2 root 3. Now so that this will be equal to limit will be 3 and 3 plus 2 root 3 cos x dx, cos x dx dt by 4, dt by 4, so that 1 by 4 comes here, divided by 3 plus 4 sin t equal to t, this is equal to t. As here 1 by 4, 1 by t dt, that different integration is log t, and limit will be 3 to 3 plus 2 root 3. Putting the upper limit and and here this is equal to 1 by 4 log t log 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 plus 2 root 3 minus log here 3. Log m minus n equal to log m by n, 1 by 4 log 3 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3. This is our answer. Now question number 6 here. Integral of limit 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by a square cos square x b square sin square x here. Now taking limit 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by taking the common cos square x here. This will be a square plus b square and sin square by cos square tan square x. Tan b square tan square x here. Now this can be written as 0 to pi by 2 sec square x dx divided by a square plus b tan x का power. Now putting b tan x equal to t, so that b sec square x dx equal to dt. So that sec square x dx equal to dt by b here. Now limit at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, t equal to b tan 0. b tan 0 means tan 0 sin 0 by cos 0 sin 0 में 0, so that t equal to 0. And at x equal to pi by 2, so that t is equal to b tan pi by 2. Tan 90 degree sin 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Cos 90 degree. Here b tan x to the power this b tan x is equal to t, so that b sec square dx is equal to dt. Sec square dx is equal to dt by b. Limit will be at x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, and x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to infinity, so that 1 by b 0 to infinity dt by this. Integration of this is 1 by a tan inverse t, 1 by a ab, and x t is equal to infinity tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0, tan inverse infinity, that is pi by 2, this is equal to 0, so that pi by ab. This is answer. Now